All right, welcome back to our next math lesson of the week, where we are going to learn to identify the 3D shapes. So we've learned all about them, but now we need to learn their names and the shapes that they're made up of. So let's do a quick review of our shapes, shall we? So we have a cube, a cube. A cube is made up of all flat sides. A cone is made up of one curved side and a flat side on the bottom. A cylinder is made up of two flat sides and one curved side. Rectangular prism is made up of rectangles all around, connecting two shapes. In this case, because it's a rectangular prism, they are squares. Triangular prism, again, made up of long rectangles making up the sides. But this one's a triangular prism because the ends are triangles. A triangle pyramid because the base shape is a triangle. And the sides are made up of triangles. That's how you know it's a pyramid. A square pyramid because the base shape is a square. And then you know it's a pyramid because the top is made up of triangles. Same with our pentagon pyramid. The base shape is a pentagon having 5 sides, and it's made up of triangles. All right? So your job today is going to be learning the names and the different shapes that make up our 3D shapes. So it's going to be a little bit of review of our 2D shapes, so that then we can learn to identify them based on their shape. So on the first page you're going to do is nice and simple for you. All you have to do is, it says, what is the shape of the shaded face? So one of these is shaded in or colored in dark. You need to circle what shape that is. So for the first one that's done for you, I look at my cube, and one of the sides is shaded in. I can think about my cube. I know that cubes are made up of squares. So I find my square and I circle it. Okay, let's do one more example together. Again, we have a cube. A different surface is colored in. But I know, based on my cube, all the sides are squares. So I find my square again and I circle it. And then you need to complete the rest. The next page is where you have to learn the words, all right? All of the different names of the 3D shapes. Okay? So, it says, I have 6 faces. I have 6 faces. So we're using what we've learned about our 3D shapes to help us identify the shapes. And all of the words you're going to need are at the top. Cone, cube, cylinder, prism, and sphere. So let's do this one as an example. It says, I have 6 faces. Does a sphere have 6 faces? No. It only has one that wraps around the entire thing. So if it's not my sphere, does my cube have 6 faces? Let me grab my cube to help me. I grab my cube and I count how many sides or faces does my cube have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it says, which one has 6 faces? So then down here on this line, I write, I am a cube. A cube. All right, then you need to do that for all of these ones. So I have a curved face. All right, so which one of these has a curved face? And then you need to write the name of it down here. Okay, now if you can't remember the name, go back and look at the different pages that we've done. That will help you, as I can look here and say, oh, cones. Okay, cones, all right? So if I think that this one is the one with a curved face, then I can write cones down here. Okay? That is your job for today, is those 2 pages. I hope that you enjoy working on those. And then on Friday, we are going to have a math journal where I'm going to give you a little bit of a 3D riddle that will help you identify a 3D shape. Enjoy!